So hello everyone, myself Anuj, a first year MBBS student. So in this video we will be talking about what should be your ReNEET strategy. So we will divide this video for the people who scored 650 plus and the people who scored 550 plus in the actual NEET exam which got cancelled. So now talking about the people who scored 650 plus in the actual NEET exam, so who were like almost safe, they would easily get a GMC this year. So that people should only be focusing. They would have completed all the syllabus. They would have also practiced a plenty number of questions. So they should focus on solving more numericals and focusing on their weak areas and the silly mistakes they made. Mostly they would have made silly mistakes like filling OMR wrongly, not focusing on the like small question details and many other things, marking like wrong options in the question paper and differently in the OMR. Such mistakes only would be possible for the people who scored 650 plus, and they should continuously practice more number of questions on a daily basis, like almost like 200 to 400 questions they should practice daily from among all the 4 subjects. Now talking about the people who scored 600 plus, like 550 plus, these people, like they have a very nice chance of improving this time. Like they can they also have completed all the syllabus. For them also almost all the concepts are clear except a few. So they can easily cross the come up and compete with the 650 plus students. So what they should do is like make a like full plan of like they would have many weak areas as compared to 650 plus students. So they should solve more numericals in their weak areas and more tougher questions rather than solving the easier question again and again. So they should focus on solving more tougher questions and the areas in which they are weak, and they should solve around 400 to 500 questions on a daily basis. Like more for the people who are getting like 550 to 650, for them the physics and chemistry only would be a problem. So they should solve more numericals on physics and chemistry rather than focusing on bio questions. For biology you should just read NCERT lines, and like as we know that ReNEET is going to be tougher, so the tougher side will be seen in all the things, but it will be more on physics and chemistry, because biology will be only NCERT based mostly. Like 90 to 95% of the questions would be anyway NCERT only. So we should focus on the physics and chemistry which can be made tougher. So you should practice a plenty number of questions so that you feel it like a bit moderate and easier in the actual NEET exam. So my final conclusion for the ReNEET strategy would be solve more number of questions as well as both 650 plus students and 550 plus students. 550 plus students should focus mainly on physics and chemistry because these subjects would have been very weak for them, and 650 plus students should focus on the silly mistakes they are making. And other students, like now talking about the other students who were like 300 to 400 range, so they also have a chance, but it would be very tougher for them because like this was an easy paper, and if you are scoring 300 to 400 marks, so you have not completed the syllabus yet. So if you have like completed the syllabus like within nowadays, like if you complete the syllabus within 1 or 2 weeks, which is like slightly very tough, so you should first complete the syllabus and then start practicing more questions. Yes, this would be a very nice strategy for the people who are scoring like 300 and 400 marks in this NEET actual NEET exam. So my conclusion would be like for 650 plus students should focus on the silly mistakes, and the people who are scoring 550 plus, they should focus on their weak areas, practice more questions and focus on physics and chemistry. And for the 300 to 400 students, first they should complete the syllabus and then move on to solving numericals and other questions. Thank you for this video.